Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how much it costs to remodel a house, step by step. First, understand that a full home remodel typically ranges from $40,000 to $100,000. For a home between 1,250 and 1,600 square feet, the average cost is about $52,000. More extensive gut renovations, which involve significant structural work, can easily reach $100,000 to $200,000. Planning your project scope is the crucial first step. Next, let's look at two of the most popular and impactful renovations: kitchens and bathrooms. A kitchen remodel usually falls between $18,000 and $55,000, with a medium-sized project averaging around $71,000. For bathrooms, expect to spend between $6,600 and $18,000 for a typical renovation. However, a luxurious, high-end bathroom remodel can easily surpass $80,000, depending on your selections. Beyond kitchens and bathrooms, other areas also contribute significantly to remodeling costs. A bedroom remodel can range from $4,000 to $40,000, while updating a living room typically costs between $5,000 and $15,000. Converting an attic or basement into a livable space often starts at $20,000. For a fresh look, interior painting for an average 2,000 square foot home usually costs between $4,000 and $10,000. Finally, several factors greatly influence your total remodeling cost. The project's scope, material quality, and labor rates are key drivers. Structural changes, such as moving plumbing or walls, will increase expenses due to added complexity and specialized labor. It is crucial to allocate a contingency fund of 15 to 20% for any unforeseen issues. Always gather at least 3 itemized bids from trusted contractors to ensure accurate pricing and a clear understanding of your investment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.